I got a whole lot of freebies for healthcare workers. Stay tuned. Second video. If you haven't watched my other one, then I'm gonna link it below. While you watching that one, like, comment, and subscribe somewhere up in there. Okay, we're gonna get started. I have a whole list of freebies for healthcare workers, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just read down the list. I'm waiting for my pizza to get done, so I said while I'm waiting for that, I might as well just come back with a quick video and go ahead and let y'all know, so y'all can just jump on these freebies. The first one on my list is Starbucks. Who don't like Starbucks? You can get a tall free or iced coffee for the free. I would go in there and I'll order a tall hot coffee, and I'll fix that tall hot coffee the same way I'd fix the iced one. But I just ask them for hot instead. Once you get that hot coffee and you get to the window, you ask them for a large cup of ice, okay? A large cup of ice. You get that hot coffee and you pour it on top of that ice, and there you go. This the same thing, I promise you. It tastes the exact same. If you are like me, then at first I was worried about if it would be watered down, but it's not. It's not. It tastes exactly the same, okay? So thank me later. You got double the coffee for the free. And once again, all these places on this list, the only thing you have to do is go in with your badge, unless I say otherwise throughout the video. But everybody's just asking for your badge. Uber, they're doing free deliveries of food, and they're doing discount rides. So if you need a ride, or if you need somebody to bring you something to eat, go ahead. Uber is your dog right now. Krispy Kreme, you can get a free dozen. Now, a girl I work with, she said she was able to receive 2 free dozens, and I heard one girl I know through social media, she said she was able to get 5 free dozens. So, I don't know about all that. I know you at least able guaranteed 1 free dozens on Mondays only, and that's at Krispy Kreme. Crocs, you can get some free Crocs. The way you do that, they have a specific website they want you to go to, and I'm going to go ahead and just scroll that across the stream, so y'all go ahead and get y'all pen and paper, jot it down. Dollar General, you get 10% off your entire purchase. Bojangles, you get a free tea, any size tea. Now, I'm grateful for free tea because I drink sweet tea. But how do they know Lil Johnny and Lil Ricky Bobby want sweet tea? I mean, they should have just said a free any size beverage, so you could have just picked what beverage, but whatever. Thank you, Bojangles, for that. Do y'all see my skin, though? I sip to that. The only thing I have on my face, I have on no, what you call that, foundation, none of that. Only thing I have on is some lashes. Yes, I just got on some lashes, and that's it. Little Caesars, you get a free pizza. If it was me, it'll be pepperoni. What type of pizza do y'all like? Like, what toppings do y'all put on y'all's? Next is number 8 on the list. It is Wawa's. You get free coffee. I never heard of Wawa's. We don't have one where I'm located. Oh well. That just means I gotta double up on the Starbucks. Next, Long John Silver's. You get a 20% discount, but that's only on Thursdays. So don't go up there on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday thinking you're going to get 20% off.
No, it's Thursdays only
at Long John Silver's. Checkers / Riley, whatever it is where you're located, you get a free small combo. But they want you to have
on your work uniform.
So if you're going in there to get your free small combo, make sure you have on
your work uniform.
Your badge, just your badge will not work. Wendy's, you get a free 4-piece nugget, but you have to go through the drive-thru. Hooters, you get 20% off your order. IHOP, you get 20% off your order. Circle K, you get a free iced and or hot coffee. That's I can tell you that one is true. I've had their coffee as well. I can tell you Starbucks is true. I had that one. I know somebody who actually got the Krispy Kreme, so I know that one to be true. And let's just keep going. I'm at number 15 on the list. Now, I only saw one lady say this. I'm not exactly sure. Don't get mad at Shiny if it ain't, okay? I'm just relying on the information, okay? I'm just feeding y'all the information. And the best thing I would say do is to Google it, find the closest company that I'm going to tell y'all up next in your area, and just call them to see if this is true or not. But they say the Mazda dealers are doing free oil changes. So yes, if your car needs an oil change and you're in the healthcare field, right now Mazda dealerships are doing it for free. But check that out, double check it first. Walgreens, you get 30% off Walgreens brand and you get 20% off all other brands. Sam's have hero hours. So on Sunday mornings from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., you can go into Sam's with no membership needed. All you need is your badge. McDonald's are giving free meals. Once again, all you need is your badge. And last but not least on the list, drum roll please, you can get 50 cents off each gallon of gas at BP. At one point gas here was $1.55, so 50 cents off each gallon. Gas was $1.05, honey. Yes, like we back in the day, $1.05, honey. But in order to get that BP, you will have to go to a specific website, and once you get there, you type in your information and stuff, and then they'll give you a code. You take that code to the BP in your area, and from there, you get your 50 cents off. Well, how you get to the website is you go to Google and you type in BP Support Local Heroes. Once again, that's BP Support Local Heroes. So go over to Google, type that in, and then that'll take you to the website to where you can get started, alright? So I hope y'all like this video. My pizza is finally done. The bell just went off. So I'm finna have to dip, baby, dip. Come on and dip, baby, dip. Yeah, I'm finna have to hit it. I'll see y'all next video.